In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change the save location for your videos in CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your finished projects to any folder you like. So whether you want to keep your work organized, free up space, or just make it easier to find your files later, you'll be all set. Let's dive in. So you've finished editing your video in CapCut, and you're ready to export. Before you rush ahead, let me show you how you can select exactly where that finished file will be saved instead of just letting CapCut send it to the default folder. This simple tweak can save you a ton of time searching for your exported videos later on. First, make sure your project is completely edited and you're happy with the final cut. Take a quick moment to review your timeline and preview the video one last time. When you're ready to export, you'll find the Export button in the top right corner of CapCut. It's usually highlighted so you can't miss it. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, a dialog box will pop up. This is where CapCut is asking you questions about your export, things like resolution and format. But what's important for today's tip is the section marked Export To. You'll see the current file path. This is the folder CapCut wants to save your video to by default. It might be something like your videos folder, or maybe a CapCut-specific export folder. If that location works for you, great. But if you want to change it, here's what you'll do next. Right next to the file path, you'll spot a little folder icon. It's usually small, so don't worry if you have to look around for a second. Go ahead and click that folder icon. Or, depending on your version, you might be able to click right on the path itself. This action will pop open a standard file browser window. Now you're in control. This is where you get to choose exactly where your video gets saved. Navigate through your computer's folders just like you would if you were saving a Word document or a photo. Maybe you have a dedicated folder for YouTube projects, maybe you want this video on your desktop for easy access, or maybe you're working with an external drive. Wherever you want your video to go, simply click into that folder. Taking a moment here to organize your exports can make a huge difference down the line, especially if you edit lots of videos. Once you've selected your folder, you'll see the file name in the export box. If you want to change the name, that's your chance. I always like to give my files a clear title, maybe the project name plus the date, just so I don't have a bunch of untitled videos cluttering my hard drive. After the folder and file name look good, you're ready for the last step. Click the Export button one more time. CapCut will now render your video and save it to the location you chose. This might take a few moments, especially if your video is large or high resolution. Don't worry if the progress bar seems to stick. It's all part of the process. When it's done, head to the folder you picked, and you'll find your fresh MP4 file waiting for you. And that's it. You can now export your videos to any location you want, keeping your workflow organized and your files right where you need them. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or if you ran into any issues. I'd love to help you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.